Close your eyes. Imagine a shave so close, so comfortable, and so effortless that it feels less like a chore and more like a spa treatment. Now open them. Because what you're currently using to shave is about to become a relic. The shaving tech arriving in 2026 isn't just a new set of blades, it's a leap into the future. We're looking at AI-powered skin sensors, nanotech coatings that prevent irritation forever, and shavers that literally guide your hand. In this exclusive first look, we're breaking down the top 5 models that will redefine your morning routine. You won't believe what's coming. Number 1. Philips Norelco Shaver i9000. Up to 5 years Superscript 3, this shaver is designed to provide a long-lasting close shave that caters to your unique grooming needs. The lift and cut system helps lift hair for a closer cut, while the innovative SenseIQ technology actively senses and adapts to your skin type and shaving habits, ensuring perfect skin comfort tailored just for you. When it comes to precision in shaving, especially in difficult areas like the neck and under the nose, the new flexible compact heads are engineered to adapt to every curve of your face. This design provides constant skin contact and enhances efficiency, resulting in a 20% more precise shave Superscript 2, making this shaver exceptionally effective for all facial shapes and areas. For those with a busy lifestyle or a more rugged look, this shaver remains efficient even on a 7-day beard. It is specifically designed to cut hair in any direction, thanks to its 360-degree rotating dual steel precision blades, which are capable of delivering an astounding 7 million cutting motions per minute. This means that regardless of your beard growth pattern, you can achieve a seamless and clean shave with ease. Number 2. Philips Norelco Shaver 7300. Made of up to an impressive 250,000 microtech beads per square centimeter, the Nano Skin Glide coating significantly enhances the gliding performance of the shaver on the skin. This improvement, quantified at up to 30% more glide, is specifically designed to minimize irritation during shaving, providing a smoother and more comfortable experience for the user. The shaver is equipped with steel precision blades that execute cutting actions at an astonishing rate of up to 90,000 times per minute. This high-speed operation allows the blades to shave closely and effectively, cutting more hair with each stroke. The shaver features 45 high-performance blades, engineered to be self-sharpening and manufactured in Europe, ensuring durability and consistent performance over time. Incorporating advanced technology, the intelligent facial hair sensor continuously monitors hair density at an incredible frequency of 250 times per second. Based on this data, the shaver dynamically adjusts its cutting power to provide an effortless and gentle shaving experience, tailored to the unique needs of each user. Number 3. Braun Series 9 Pro Plus 9577 cubic centimeters electric razor for men. The Series 9 Pro Plus electric shaver is designed for men who want a superior shaving experience, regardless of whether they prefer a 1, 3, or 7-day beard. This advanced electric shaver is equipped with 5 perfectly synchronized shaving elements that work together to provide exceptional efficiency and skin comfort. This means that it can tackle even the longest and trickiest hair with ease, ensuring a smooth shave in every stroke. One of the standout features of this electric shaver is the built-in Precision Pro trimmer. Made from surgical-grade steel, this trimmer is specifically designed to handle difficult areas such as mustaches, sideburns, and under the nose. This enhances the cutting efficiency and allows for precise grooming, ensuring that every hair is trimmed to perfection. Number 4. Braun Series 9 Pro Plus Electric Shaver. Experience the perfect closeness in every single stroke with Braun's best electric shaver, designed with 5+1 perfectly synchronized shaving elements. This feature is specifically engineered to gently cut through even the toughest of beards, ensuring that you achieve an incredibly close shave without irritation. Say goodbye to skin irritation with the exceptional protection provided by ultra-thin precision blades. These advanced blades outperform all previous models of the Series 9 electric shaver, allowing for a more efficient shave while maintaining outstanding skin protection, making it suitable for sensitive skin as well. Regardless of your beard density, the Series 9 Pro Plus electric razor utilizes cutting-edge Pro Senso Adapt technology. This high-precision sensor conducts an impressive 300 analyses per second, automatically adjusting the shaving power as needed to ensure you receive the most effective and comfortable shave possible. Number 5. Panasonic Arc 5 Electric Razor for Men. The Panasonic Arc 5 Electric Shaver for Men is a high-quality grooming device designed with advanced features to ensure an exceptional shaving experience. It is equipped with 5 ultra-sharp precision-honed 30° nanotech blades that work together to achieve a remarkably close shave. The ultra-thin arc foil is specifically designed to follow the natural contours of the face, neck, and jawline, allowing for a quick, efficient, and comfortable shave. In terms of convenience, the shaver has a charging time of just 1 hour, which is ideal for users with busy schedules. The Panasonic Arc 5 functions as both a wet and dry electric razor and trimmer in one, providing versatility for different shaving preferences. Its built-in pop-up trimmer is perfect for detailing mustaches, beards, and sideburns, adding an extra touch of precision to your grooming routine. And that, gentlemen, is the end of shaving as you know it. It's clear that a perfect, irritation-free shave is no longer a dream, but an imminent reality. If you're ready to never suffer from razor burn or bumps again, I've done all the hard work for you. All the direct pre-order links, early bird pricing, and model details are neatly organized in the video description below.